Go to Google. Yeah, sorry, my typing always includes a full stop in my keyboard. Anyway, but you'll get to it. Sun and Moon world map, and then you go into there every single time, and you will see it knows what your observation is. You can your location. You can change your location, but this location is always set up for UK. Now, Wednesday, the 4th of August, 8:48. If you go to my old other videos, you see this phenomenon is happening in the sky roughly the same time every month, and it's 29.5 days. And I can say 29.55 days. Yeah, because it's 355.55 recurring moon days in a moon year. If you look over 150 years worth of data. So this normally comes just before noon. This is only recently, so I'm going to move over to the 10:48, 11:48. Okay, that's where it's there. Then if you move one day forward, and then one day forward, and then one day forward, and one day forward, you'll see this happens every single month. Yeah, the latitude north or latitude south might vary month in, month out, and might go through a complete cycle going all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. The moon goes as high as 28 degrees, and the sun goes as high as 23.46 degrees. But the sun equator is actually 0.25 degrees above our equator. So, but the moon goes as low as only 18. I think 18. It goes as low as 18. So its midpoint is about 5 degrees north of the equator, which only makes sense if you reveal the hidden 10 degrees in the north. But still, don't want to digress. Do this month in, month out. Let's go back a month to the 11th of July. Oh, look, the 11th of July. So we kind of got to think, do I go back a day or do I go forward a day? Well, I'll go back a day, don't I? So I'm going to go back one day, 11:48, go back 2 days. But remember, this was the 10th of July. Today's the 8th of August. You get with me, yeah? Then we're going to go back again another 4 weeks. 4 weeks is pretty much 28 days, and you've got the 12th of June, and we go back one day. Yeah? 10th of June, same thing happened again. So, y'all can say to me that I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think you guys should just start to pay attention to what's going on around you instead of just guessing and spamming for hours and hours. You're wasting your time and you haven't achieved anything. We're here to achieve something. This proves that we have an eclipse once a month, a solar eclipse. And a lunar eclipse happens every single month when the moon disappears because it goes behind the sun. Whether we're flat, whether we're concave, whether we're convex or anything like that, we are not heliocentric. And heliocentric means that Helios lives within. I am prolate. Remember that. This happens every month, roughly 29.55 days intervals. And this is where the frequencies, because the moon is near the sun, so the moon was going to be passing over. I'm looking east, just like, well, there's east there, give or take, about there. So at about 11, 11:30, sorry, I've got cars coming. At 11:30, once a month, you will get the moon passing near the sun. The moon is in front of the sun, but it's above or below, or actually going in front of the sun when we do get partial and solar eclipses. I've done this on my channel now for a few months, and basically, yeah, you can pretty much a couple of months ago, you could actually see the eclipse just skim. You could see the moon actually skim the sun, but they just put junk in the sky just to cover things up. But that's the true frequency of what's going up above our heads. We all look down to the ground and say, "Oh, the ground is flat," but you know, you can. How flat do you want to get it? You know, how flat do you want to get it? That is a curved surface, but whatever, yeah, whatever. the whole flat land thing is rubbish. But anyway, this just proves that our sun and moon are near, and they are causing these frequencies here, the frequencies of the planet's alchemy. Right, 31st of July, 12 o'clock.